In this video, I will show you how to create and upload a short video using your PC or a laptop and not your phone. First, the benefits of YouTube Shorts. With a short viewing time, you can quickly and easily convey information to your audience and get them to your channel. Shorts are designed to attract new viewers, subscribers on the homepage. A Shorts tab. They're increasingly promoted by platforms like TikTok and YouTube nowadays. And with the partner program, you can also earn revenue from Shorts through ads displayed in the Shorts feeds. So let's get started. First, record your short video using your preferred recording software. I use OBS. Make sure to record in the short format. The ideal YouTube Shorts resolution is 1080 by 1920 pixels. And the video must also be less than 60 seconds to qualify as a short, because otherwise YouTube won't recognize it as a short and it will be a normal video. So the first thing is to record. Once done, you go back to your browser and you're searching for Canva, and then you need to sign up in Canva. It's completely free, so don't worry. Then you need to accept cookies, and you have a few things, maybe later, not now. Then you need to search for YouTube Shorts, and you select one of these projects right here. Then you delete what's in it right now, all the videos, the pages that you only have a blank page, and this is the right YouTube format. So once done, you need to upload your just made video. So I'm uploading the file right here. Once done, you need to drag it back to this widescreen. I see I have watermarks right here, like this. And then you need to fill in the complete Canva board. So like this. You see that I recorded the whole screen of my laptop, but I only need to the left side from my laptop. So I will put this to the left and I will press play. And here you will see my short. So you might need to trim it depending on how you've recorded it. When you have cropped everything, your video is ready to be uploaded. So go to your file, first give it a name, like GF4 hack. Then click on file and download your video. When you have Canva Pro, you can download it in better quality, but we don't have Canva Pro, so we use this quality. File type is MP4 video, and just click on download and your video will be downloaded. So you've now created your own short video from your desktop, and now we need to upload it to your favorite channel. In this case, I will use my YouTube channel. So go to your YouTube channel and click on create, upload your video. If it meets the requirements, it will automatically be uploaded as a short, as you can see. Give it a good title, description, and give it a good thumbnail, and then you are ready to go. Then if you want, you can publish your short. You can see the video link right here. And as you can see, we've created a short with our laptop. So this was your guide on how to create and upload a short video with a PC or laptop. If you find this video useful, hit the thumbs up below the video. This way I can check what videos you all like and what should I create in the future. If you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. This was Tracking Success for now, and I'll see you in the next one.